video is about our product InstaTaxIn for tax inclusive invoice display. First, attach the TCP file to Tally ERP9. For that, copy location path of the TCP file. In Tally ERP9, F12 configure product and features. F4 manage local TDL. Set load TDL files on startup option to yes and paste the location path of the TCP file. Save the settings. In accounting vouchers, create a POS voucher. Save the voucher and go to the print preview. This is the default display of invoice in Tally, where tax related ledgers are displayed on invoice. Now again go to the POS invoice, print, configure. Set GST inclusive invoice option to yes and save the settings. Here, tax related ledgers are not displayed on invoice and the rate amount is inclusive of taxes. You can also show the savings made by the customer on invoice. For that, go to the POS invoice again, print, F12 configure. Set the show savings option to yes. If you wish to show the savings based on MRP, then set this option to yes, and if you wish to show the savings made on standard selling price, then set this option to no. We are showing the savings based on MRP. Save the settings. First, make sure that stock item has MRP field filled properly. Again go to the accounting vouchers, open the saved invoice. Now go to the print preview. Here the saved amount is displayed in the invoice. The same facility is available for the normal sales invoice. Go to the print preview, F12 configure, again F12. Here GST inclusive invoice option is set to yes. Save the settings and go to the print preview. Here again the rate amount is inclusive of tax rate and tax related ledgers are not displayed on invoice. This facility is available for simple printed invoice as well as comprehensive invoice. Thank you.